Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to change these airbox filters on this 550i. So now we're gonna change this air filter. There's one in here to the passenger side and there's one right here to the driver's side. First we're gonna take this cover off. Just take it off. To make it easier, I'm gonna take this whole entire tube off by unscrew this bolts and this bolts, unplug this MAF sensor connectors and lift this up. First we're gonna remove the connectors to the MAF sensor here. There you go. Put it to the side. Now I'm gonna remove these two bolts right here using a 1/4. Now these two bolts are loose. Just gonna remove them. There we go. Unhook this clip to this airbox. Now this should just lift up. But before that, you need to unhook this wire, this O2 wire right here. There you go. We have another tube down here that we need to remove. Using this flat, just carefully pry this up and remove the bottom tube. There you go. There's our air box. Now there's a couple of T25 screws right here that we need to unscrew them and take this cover off. Screws are out, loose. We're gonna use our flat to gently pry this out. There you go. It's kind of dirty. See all those dust, junk in there. This is what causes your MAP sensors to get dirty and malfunctions. So we're gonna throw these away, clean up the box in here. So now we got our new one, our new filter. Here's the old one, here's the new one. Again, make sure they look identical. look like the same. I'm gonna put this onto this. Cover it up. Put the screws back. Tighten up. Looks good. Just put it back. Just gonna put it back. There's two holes line up to this two tabs down here. First, we gotta put this bottom tube in first. There we go. Then connect this. All right, it's in. Now I'm gonna put this O2 wire back. Connect this. Make sure to reconnect your MAP sensor connector. Good. Just gonna tighten up these two bolts. Good. Now we're just gonna do the other side and then we're done. All right, let's work on this driver's side. Same process. First, we're gonna take out this MAP sensor. There we go. Put it to the side. We're gonna remove the O2 wire right here. Set it to the side. Take this clip off. We're gonna lose these two bolts. Take this off. I'm gonna use our flat. There you go. Just lift this off. We're gonna take this bolts off. We're gonna use the flat to pry this open. There's our dirty filter. Again, you can see all this dirt, whatnot's in there. I'm gonna throw these away. We're gonna clean the dirt in here off. Here's our new filter. Just put it back. Looks good. Just gonna put it back. Connect the bottom two first. Then connect this. Just gonna tighten these two bolts. Good. And we're all done. Make sure you connect this O2 sensor wire back. Put this clip on. Connect your map sensor. You're good. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you out. Again, this is a similar process for most cars and trucks, with the exception that you might have to move certain things around. As always, if this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, make sure to check my other videos here for more DIY tutorials.